everyone. My name is Tanishka Mishra and I am a student of BCom first year. First of all, I would like to thank Vishal sir, who is the professor of Department of Commerce, for giving me this opportunity to give a speech on Digital India on this platform. The Government of India launched Digital India under the motto of Power to Empower, and the Digital India Companion was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the July 1st, 2015. This companion aims to improve country's technological advancement. It aims to provide high-speed internet and will ensure that will uh, every citizen of the country have an electronic device like a mobile phone. And the Government of India launched the Digital India on 2015. One of the major objectives of this companion is to ensure that everyone have to achieve electronic device from remote part of the country. First, the Digital India Companion was run by the Bharat Broadband Network Limited, which is called BBNL. And secondly, I would like to discuss on the objectives of Digital India Companion. The Digital India Companion is divided into three parts, which work on to achieve the following objective. First, the stable and secure digital infrastructure to connect each and every part of the country. Second, everyone should achieve online government service, which is e-governance. Third, digital literacy of the people. Last but not the least, next, I would like to discuss on the digital infrastructure. Digital infrastructure. Under the digital infrastructure, the population of India is 130 over the 138 crore and 138 crore and 138 crore. It is the first highest populated country in the world. The Digital India infrastructure focus on the platform where the people have achieved an digital identity, digital identity, uh, uh, digital identity, and to make and to making it easy for the government service. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very nice, neat and clean and well prepared presentation. एक बार अच्छे से ताली बजाइए.